Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Pilates bar is probably one of the most versatile pieces of home fitness equipment you can own. It's designed to mimic the exercises performed on a Pilates reformer, allowing you to build strength, improve flexibility, and enhance your overall wellness from the comfort of your home. Whether you're a seasoned Pilates enthusiast or a complete beginner, this bar can help you achieve your fitness goals. Number 5. Bbtops Pilates Bar Kit with Resistance Bands. This Pilates Bar Kit is perfect for a full-body workout. It's designed for yoga, Pilates, and resistance exercises. You can easily take it anywhere for a convenient workout. The unique design features a secure connection point for the resistance bands, ensuring greater durability. The bar itself is made with soft, comfortable foam, making it easy to hold and use safely. This kit includes 2 resistance bands, offering different levels of intensity. You can combine them for a more challenging workout or use them separately. It's adaptable to your fitness level. This equipment helps you target various muscle groups. It's great for shaping your arms, legs, hips, waist, and back. It's a versatile tool for achieving your fitness goals. Use this Pilates bar kit for a wide range of exercises. It's perfect for Pilates, yoga, and strength training. It helps improve your strength, flexibility, and balance. What we like? This Pilates bar stands out with its durable nylon fabric connecting the resistance bands, ensuring a longer lifespan. It also offers multiple resistance levels, allowing you to customize your workout intensity. If you're looking for a versatile and long-lasting Pilates bar for a full-body workout, this is the one for you. What people say. Easy to use and allows for minimal movement with high results. Great for home workouts. Easy to use. Very sturdy. It allows me to stretch and exercise way more effectively than doing it without. It allows for a slow, steady tension and release. Number 4. Pilates Bar Kit with Resistance Bands. This Pilates stick is crafted with detachable steel pipes for smooth movements. It's lightweight and easy to grip, and you can take it anywhere. The adjustable straps make it easy to customize for different exercises. The kit includes 3 pairs of flexible elastic resistance bands. You can mix and match the bands to get the right amount of resistance for your workout. It's perfect for a variety of exercises. This exercise stick can be used for many core exercises. It helps target muscle groups in your back, legs, hips, shoulders, and arms. You can do stretching, weightlifting, lunges, and squats. Each set comes with a compact storage bag. You can easily store the Pilates bar kit and take it with you. It's great for quick workouts at home, the office, or while traveling. We provide a Pilates exercise guide and videos to help you. You can make the most of your new workout equipment at home or the gym. If you're not satisfied, please contact us. What we like? This Pilates bar features adjustable straps for various exercises and stackable resistance bands to meet your workout needs. It also includes a convenient storage bag, making it perfect for on-the-go workouts. If you are looking for a portable and adaptable Pilates bar, this is a great choice. What people say. It's easy to assemble. It's easy to adjust the length of the bands to get the best resistance for each exercise. The workout poster helps get right into a workout without having to search for a routine online. Number 3. WeluvFit Pilates Bar Kit with Resistance Bands. This Pilates bar kit features a high-quality steel rod wrapped in comfortable foam. It also includes non-slip foot belts and durable latex resistance bands. The strong metal lifting lugs and alloy buckle ensure the bands are easy to replace and prevent tangling. The resistance bands, stretching up to 200 centimeters, are great for resistance training. This kit comes with 4 bands offering varying resistance levels. It's ideal for both men and women looking to burn calories effectively. This Pilates bar is designed for a full-body workout, helping you shape your body and exercise muscles. It functions similarly to various gym equipment, allowing you to open your shoulders, tone your back, and create a beautiful physique. The detachable design makes it easy to set up and disassemble. The lightweight and portable design allows you to store it easily and exercise anywhere. It's perfect for home, office, travel, or vacation workouts. We offer a 365-day service, ensuring you can buy with confidence. You'll be impressed with its durability, portability, and versatility. It's also a great gift for friends and family. We are dedicated to providing you with a positive exercise experience and a healthy body. What we like. This Pilates bar features a comfortable foam handle, making your workout more enjoyable. The resistance bands are adjustable, and the bar itself is portable and detachable, making it easy to take anywhere. If you like a versatile and easy-to-store Pilates bar, you should consider this one. What people say. It provides one heck of a workout, and you can work out every body part, which is amazing. The bar is very solid, definitely not bending that even with the 230 pounds in bands I currently have on it. The kit is mechanically simple and does not have unnecessary attachments and adjustment straps like some competitive products. Number 2. COFOF Pilates Bar Kit with Resistance Bands. This Pilates bar is designed for stable and safe exercises. It features a non-slip pad and comes with resistance bands offering various intensity levels. It's suitable for both beginners and professionals. The bar includes a heavy-duty metal buckle for quick and accurate adjustments. You can easily adjust the nylon rope to the desired length for different exercises. This allows you to customize the workout to your needs. It takes only seconds to connect and disconnect the bar. The included portable bag makes it easy to store all the accessories. You can take it with you for workouts anywhere. This kit is perfect for yoga, Pilates, and various other exercises. It helps you work out different body parts to shape and maintain a perfect figure. The resistance bands can be combined to meet different exercise needs. The kit includes everything you need for a full workout. It comes with detailed instructions and workout posters. If you have any questions, we're here to help ensure your satisfaction. What we like. This Pilates bar has a heavy-duty metal buckle and an adjustable nylon rope for precise adjustments. It also comes with multiple resistance bands, allowing for a wide range of exercises. If you are looking for a Pilates bar with precise adjustments and a variety of resistance levels, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The bar is sturdy and well-made. It's easy to assemble and disassemble. The resistance bands provide a good workout. Number 1. Gaiam Pilates Bar Reformer Kit, Home Fitness. This Pilates kit includes everything you need to perform reformer-style movements. It helps you get leaner thighs, firmer buns, and a well-defined core. It's a great way to transform your body. The kit comes with a Pilates bar, 2 30-inch power cords, and foot straps. You'll be ready to work out right away. The included guide offers full-length practices for total body sculpt, cardio, and arm exercises. Designed to be simple and compact, it's perfect for a home gym or studio. It's also travel-friendly. It disassembles easily for storage and portability, making it convenient to use anywhere. A downloadable digital workout is included to help you learn the key Pilates bar moves. This will help you add variety to your existing routine. It's designed to help you get the most out of your workout. Gaiam creates yoga, fitness, and wellness products for everyone. Whether you're a beginner or an expert, this product is designed for you. It's about helping you live a more active and fulfilling life. What we like. This Pilates bar allows you to perform Pilates reformer-style movements, helping you get leaner and stronger. It's compact and portable, making it ideal for home use or travel. If you like a Pilates bar with a focus on reformer-style exercises, this is the one for you. What people say. This is such a versatile workout tool, and I am enjoying figuring out ways to use it. I like this one because of the clips that enable it to be simply rolled for more tension. Easy to use and helpful for your body training, and also very easy to take with you wherever you go. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.